Can I ask you something? Have you been hearing people talk about AI and you're secretly thinking, I should probably know what this is by now. But every time you do try to search for it, people start talking about algorithms, funnels, networks, and just like that, you're more confused than when you started. If that's you, you're in exactly the right place. Because today, I'm going to explain AI like I would explain it to my best friend over a cup of coffee. No confusing tech words, no coding, no jargon, just simple explanations that actually make sense. And by the end of this video, you will not only understand what AI is, you will know exactly how to start using it, even if you've never touched it before. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Laiken and I help everyday normal people who feel overwhelmed by technology to build confidence using simple, free and affordable online tools. Because technology shouldn't feel intimidating. It shouldn't make you feel stupid. It should make you feel excited. So let's make AI simple. But before I explain AI, I want to ask you something. Tell me down in the comments, when you hear the words artificial intelligence, what is the first thing that comes to mind? Is it robots? Is it losing jobs? Is it ChatGPT? Or is it simply, I honestly have no idea? So what actually is AI? Let's forget the complicated definitions. Imagine this. Imagine you had a really smart assistant. One that's available 24 hours a day. She never gets tired, never gets annoyed, never judges your questions, and can explain almost anything. That is AI. It's simply software designed to help you think, to help you create, learn, write, solve problems, and answer questions. That's it. It isn't magic, it isn't alive, it isn't necessarily taking over the world. It's simply a powerful tool. Think about Google. Years ago, you searched Google and then you had to go through loads of websites looking for the answer. AI is different. Instead of giving you the links, it gives you the answer. That's one of the biggest differences. And I'll be honest with you, when I first heard of AI, I assumed it was for programmers, people in big tech companies. Definitely not for me. I thought I'll probably never understand this and never have to use it. Turns out I was completely wrong, because AI isn't only for tech people, it's for teachers, it's for parents, it's for students, it's for business owners, retirees, beginners, anyone who's willing to ask a question. And here's the part that completely changed the way I see AI. AI isn't here to replace your brain, it's here to support it. Think about a calculator. The calculator didn't replace mathematics, it helped people to calculate faster. GPS. It didn't replace drivers, it helped people navigate. Spell check didn't replace writers, it helped people catch mistakes. AI is exactly the same. It's another tool. The people who learn to use it often save time. They learn faster and they feel more confident taking on new things. Quick question. Have you ever used ChatGPT before? Just comment below yes or no. I'm really curious to know how many of you are really complete beginners. This isn't my food, guys. Just by the way, this is my dog's food. So what can AI actually help you do? Loads of things. You can ask it to write an email, explain something confusing to you, to create a recipe using ingredients that you have in your house, brainstorm YouTube ideas, write Canva text, improve your CV, translate languages, and rewrite messages to sound more professional. Notice something? Most of those aren't technical. They're everyday tasks. That is why I think AI is one of the most useful digital skills that you can learn today. Now, I also want to talk about something very important because I know a lot of people are super nervous about AI. Maybe you've heard people say AI is going to take over the world. It's going to take over everyone's jobs. Okay, here's my perspective. Technology has always changed the way we work. Computers did, the internet did, smartphones did, and AI will too. But here's what I believe. The people who stay curious, who keep learning, who adapt, will always have an advantage. Not because they know everything, but because they're willing to learn the next thing. And that is exactly what you're doing by watching this video. So where should you start? Simple. Open ChatGPT, create a free account, and ask one question. That's all. Don't worry about fancy prompts. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just ask something you're genuinely curious about. For example, explain AI like I'm 12 years old. Or teach me one new thing today. You'll be surprised how quickly it starts to feel natural. Can I leave you with one thought? You don't need to become an AI expert. You don't need to understand every single feature. You don't need to know all the technical words. You simply need to become comfortable asking questions, because asking questions is exactly how learning begins. So let's quickly recap. AI isn't magic. It isn't scary. It isn't only for tech people. It's simply a tool. A tool that can help you think, help you learn, create, and save time. And the best part, you can start using it today. Now here's your question of the week. If AI could help you with one thing in your daily life, what would it be? Tell me down in the comments, because I read every single one of your comments and your answers might inspire a future video. So if today's video made AI feel just a little less intimidating, would you please do me a favor? Go smash that like button, subscribe, and comment the word class down below. Then check your social media inbox, because I'm going to be sending you access to my beginner training video that walks you through it step by step. And if you're enjoying these beginner-friendly tech videos, I'd love you to subscribe and let me know down in the comments what you'd like me to cover next. Every week I share simple tutorials designed to help people build confidence with technology using free and affordable online tools. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, confidence doesn't come before the click, it comes because of the click.